fridge tour. So you open my fridge, and then on the top shelf you have like meat and eggs and stuff like that. So pork loin, bacon, surimi, bologna, and then on the middle shelf we have Miracle Whip, Graves, some sweet and sour sauce, and some spicy sauce, a dirt cup, some leftover sauce from earlier, Salud's, and then down here we have Fresca, milk, barbecue sauce, salsa, Parmesan cheese, salad dressings, more salsa, Mexican cheese for chips, soy sauce, and then we have plain bagels, salad head, salad kit, cheese, energy drinks, cream cheese, and French toast bagels, and then condiments.